While folks have called 2021 crazy, again, we call it seminal. Seminal because, despite all the challenges, Authentise became that real rarity in 3D printing, a financially sustainable company that can be relied upon. And we didn't do that by sitting still. We added some serious features, the form of which I think shows the maturity of the overall AIMS platform. For example, we added actions, which allow users to define other users' actions and track them. We defined thresholds within work instructions that allow users to set certain bands and alert users if they don't meet those requirements or even error out the part. We added group permissions that allow us to define who can do what tasks on the systems, and we added assemblies, which allow us to define not only line items in an order, but also their assemblies and their assembly instructions and their products and their product instructions. So multiple layers within an order, in addition to more mature quoting platforms that allow us to define more features within the quote manually and directly. There are hundreds of other features, such as updates to the user interface in the Gantt chart or the QR app, improved customizations in the workflow instructions, and many, many more. A true digital workflow platform isn't built overnight. It's built through partnerships with users and other solution providers and incremental steps. So while the team killed it this year with more features, it's to all our partners we're grateful for the success and the continuing massive collaborative effort that AIMS is. In 2021, that collective included the EU and UK governments. Since becoming a real intercontinental company last year, we gained some serious traction as a technical leader with 4 grants and more than £2.3 million worth of support to show for it. And that shows in our team too, with more than half of us based in the UK. That team, no matter what coast it's on, is what made 2021 truly remarkable. Personally, I'm hoping for a little less of this and a bit more of this in 2022. Hopefully, too, we'll get to meet the others next year, including our partners and advisors, but most of all, our users that made 2021 even possible. For now, a big virtual thank you to you all.